Today, we waited for 1 year with the technique of Smart FUE, and we would like to see what is the result. So it's already a year now. We have seen the full hairline is already matured. From here to CM, we can see the hairline, the angle direction is all in place correctly according to international standard. And her special request is to cover the birthmark here. From here to here, we have lowered down the frontal camber angle 4 centimeter. The angle direction is following exactly the flow of the hairline, and when the patient comb here, she's able to cover. With this hairline design, we have narrowed down, lowering the hairline 2 cm down, and patient is very happy. She looks very attractive now.
It's been a year and I'm really happy with the result right now. Thank you to Professor Dr. Jas, and thank you, Glojas.